Hello and welcome in Munich. What an amazing event yesterday in Vienna. We had a room full of people and some of them were so amazing. So we talked up until 1 a.m. in the morning about trading, making money in the stock market, investing and all these kind of things. And I'm so flashed from all of these incredible people what I was so happy to meet. And I want to give you a quick update because I have to get ready for the next speaking tour here, or the next part of our speaking tour here in Munich. So I'll just give you a quick update. First of all, yesterday while I was speaking, I put a trade on that I put on earlier just in case that we would go in our index through a certain level, and that trade got triggered. So while I was speaking, I actually made another 2,575 euro with the German index, the German market going down while speaking on stage. So that was really phenomenal. So you can do both, earn money in the stock market as well as speaking and educating other people. So that was very, very great, especially as I only realized it this morning when I had a look at the trading account and saw, oh, for some reason I have 2,500 more in my account. And then I had a look at what trade got triggered, and that was something where the market went down and we got stopped out with a profit of 2,575 euro. And I did pretty much the same because I was meeting yesterday before I was talking with students, and in the morning I had coffee with another student. They had phenomenal results. Some of them made between 25 and 50, or not really 50, but 47.4% return within the last 2 months. So they have incredible results, which made me very, very happy. So I was meeting up with them, talking, having some food and some coffee. And while I was actually meeting these students, I had another trade on this morning, pretty much the exact opposite, because I thought that markets will go up, so they went up further. You remember when you watched the series that I predicted that already last Sunday, that we will have a week going up, and the first days of the week will be like a counter reaction to the big drop we saw before. And that made us 2,755 euro in total. So another great trade, another 2,755 euro we can pocket in. We also have two new trades, but first let's talk about the trades that are still open. So we still are engaged in coffee. Coffee today is kind of going sideways a little bit, so we don't see that explosive movement that we had for the last 2 days. We are still up 2,281 euro, and I secured about 1,500 euro. So whatever happens now, if coffee would go down, we will definitely get out positive with another 1,500 euro earnings out of that trade. Another trade that we opened yesterday is US dollar Norwegian krona. We went into the positive, however it's only 59 euro at the moment. I'm looking forward for some more drops, so we are in a short position making money when US dollar Norwegian krona goes down. It did go down, but then it came up again, so that doesn't look too good. I would love to see some explosive drop where we can secure more and more money. Right now we are slightly up in the positive, so if we would see that we are at a turning point, or if we don't see anything going on with US dollar Norwegian krona, I'll probably close the trade and will put the money to work somewhere else. Our last trade that's still open is the volatility trade, so trading the volatility index. We are still in the positive, however only 800 euro. Volatility gets a little bit higher. However, I'm still very, very happy about the trade, and I'm still predicting that we will get to our target, that is somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 euro over the next few weeks, when the volatility in the market that spiked up because we had that huge drop. So it's the predicted volatility over the next 30 years. I'll probably cover that in one of our weekend videos, so you get more insight on what we are actually talking about. However, that trade is still in the positive with 800 euros, so we're very happy about that as well. put on 2 new trades today in the morning. The first of them is soybeans. Soybeans is slightly down with 78 euro, but still looks good. And I'm pretty convinced that we will go up, see more and more prices, prices going up, making more and more money. And the other trade that I put on is something that I recently closed, and as it happens sometimes, I closed the trade in natural gas, and then natural gas started to go up. So now I re-entered it for the same reasons that I had the last time. And natural gas is continuing to go up, and we're currently in a positive 304 euro. So we lost 822 euro in the last trade, so now we're making our money back. And when our trading idea unfolds, we probably make back much more. So even a trade where we originally lost money is able to make it back. Then we have our repair strategies as well. So looking forward to kind of do both, like speaking, meeting people, and being successful at trading. And that's exactly the lifestyle that I love for myself and that I love for everyone as well. You can do what you want with your time. It doesn't take a lot, because I was mainly traveling from Austria to Munich today. So boarded a flight and came here to the Sheraton in Munich for the next speech that I hold tonight. So I was kind of pretty busy, which is very different from the lifestyle that I have when I'm in Cyprus, where everything is relaxed, sun is shining, you have the beach and the ocean. So it's exciting because it's different. However, it's always good that you don't actually need to invest a lot of time, because otherwise I couldn't do that today or yesterday even.